Hi guys, teacher Everson here once again with you, and today we're going to talk about where am I? Where are you, teacher? I am at home. I live in a house. I don't live in an apartment. I live in a house. Apartments and houses, they have very similar rooms. Okay, and today we're going to study a little bit about a house. Check it out. Here's my blog, you know already. And then we come here. Part of the house. Okay, don't know if you can see well. Let me approach a little bit more. Right, so starting here from the, now you can see everything. So here the top part of the house is the attic. Repeat, attic. Sótão. Bedroom. Bedrooms of the house. Laundry. Laundry is where you wash your clothes. That's the laundry. Bathroom. Bathroom is the place where you brush your teeth, brush your hair or comb your hair. You take a shower, you wash your hands, wash your clothes, wash your face or rinse your face. Okay? And kitchen. Oh, that's the best place in the house where we prepare a delicious salad, rice and beans. What else? Sausage. Well, here in Brazil we say linguiça. It's a different kind of sausage. Dining room. It's a place where we all have dinner together. Living room is a place where you can sit, relax, and watch Brazil winning the World Cup. Ooh, whatever. I wish. Well, so far it's doing well. Today it has won again. And here, the basement. The basement is the lower part from the house. So attic is on top of the house. Attic, sótão. Basement is the lower part of the house. Porão. Okay? That's it. So this is what we have for today. Thank you very much and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.